Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shalia binti Ramli. My register number is 06DKA20F1065.
I'm Shuhada Najia binti Nur Kamal. My register number is 06DKA20F1067.
Hi, my name is Nofara Zafira binti Safarasura. My matrix number is 06DKA20F1068. In this presentation, I will explain about introduction of background. The purpose of this research is to investigate the state of the road transport to maintaining a reliable and durable road infrastructure. It's essential to economic growth and social development. Besides that, we have to define the best way to control traffic during maintenance because the roadway is the main route for people to use it. The best way traffic will make the maintenance smooth. Next, I will explain about problem statement. Problem statement for this case study is to define damage of roadway nearby a residential area where it is need to make a maintenance. We already choose the public roadway with damage and it's the main route for residential area to use. This public or functional and structural road failures present the danger of road user who face increased risk for accident as a road damage. The place we choose is cracking surface. From this, we have to find the best way to manage traffic while doing maintenance of the road damage. Based on the organization, arrangement, guidance, and control of both stationary and moving traffic. This is very important to make sure the traffic is smooth while maintenance. For objective of this case study is this research is to prepare road inventory of the selected road section. The responsible for maintenance the roadway inventory system. The inventory includes the functional classification of the road, total mileage, owner, and the asset assigned to the road section. Next is to define defect of the road pavement and its surrounding. In this research, we already detect a few defects of the road can make an accident. For example, asphalt content low, excessive heating of the asphalt, poor quality measure, and many more. Besides that, to propose arbitrary road maintenance technique for the road section, identify 6 type of maintenance of the road. Maintenance of the road is nothing but the art of keeping the existing road in a good working condition for the proper functioning of the traffic. Lastly, to propose arbitrary traffic management technique when the maintenance work is carried out on the road section. Details how the risks associated with the plan and vehicle traffic are being managed of the road section. Plan should be regular, mandatory, and reviewed to ensure they are efficient and account for the change of the road.
Road inventory. This is a comprehensive survey which can be used to study the profile of the road in the area of study features like road or pavement width, road pavement type, street lighting, luminosity, drain type, and encroachment, presence of window or street furniture, bus stop, and ad. Road inventory considers a road inventory survey as a multi-purpose mapping and study of road and highway to obtain information including road and drive-away centerline, road parameter and current geometry argument, super elevation and grades, junction parking surface, terminal safety barrier, bright overpasses, culvert traffic control, road marking, signal sign, pavement structure, sidewalk, adjacent land use, non-traffic activities which may encroach upon road service. Road infrastructure defect. There are numerous types of defects that can form on our road, including deep pothole, shallow pothole, surface deterioration, edge failure, cracking, rotting, and subsidence. Pothole. A pothole could be described as a sharp-edged hole within the upper layers of a road surface. Those are a symptom of where water has penetrated, cracked in the road surface, and over time weakened its foundation until a pothole eventually forms. Next is cracking. This is a type of defect that could indicate the partial or total failure of the layer of the road surface, whilst not often requiring an immediate response. If left untreated, there is an increased risk of water ingress, which will inevitably lead to the formation of pothole. Then is edge failure. Edge failure is more commonly found on road with an uncurved angle, such as on rural roads. The weakest part of an uncurved road is that which is immediately adjacent to the verse. This part of the carriage is called the haunch. Running along the edge of the verse will severely damage the haunch and result in defects such as edge failure. These are typically found near passing place on the country land where is not supporting structure under the road surface. Road maintenance. Road maintenance is work that takes place on road from motorways to unclassified road to ensure they remain strong, safe, and efficient. Road maintenance takes many forms, from pothole repair to reapplying highway surfacing, but the overarching aim to keep road users safe, manage traffic, and maintain upkeep. Road maintenance can include pothole repair, road resurfacing, pavement resurfacing. Road maintenance also extends to the repair and unblocking of gullies or drain in a road, replacement of grid and manhole cover, replacement and repair of road signs or street names, and maintenance of green surface such as hedge cutting and weeding.
Okay, today I want to present about categories of road maintenance. There are 3 types of road maintenance. First is emergency maintenance. Emergency maintenance require addressing immediately to prevent injury and disruption. Emergency road maintenance is required should something catastrophic happen that has an immediate and tangible impact to the flow of traffic of safety of road users. Second is reactive maintenance. The most common form of reactive road maintenance is potholes repair. Reactive road maintenance can be costly, particularly if what starts as a small issue is left to become a much longer problem. Okay, the last types of road maintenance is preventative road maintenance. Preventative road maintenance is what keep roads ticking over, traffic flowing, and road users safe. Preventative road maintenance involves planning in order to avoid reactive road maintenance where possible. Okay, next I will explain about road maintenance technique. There are many types of road maintenance technique. First is alpha overlays. Alpha overlays restore roads to a smooth condition. Second is patching. Patching is the process of filling pothole or excavated areas in the asphalt pavement. Next is reshaping. This is necessary when a road surface is too damaged to be smooth. Next is slab replacement. It is good option for when slabs are chipped, cracked, or uneven, and mitigates the need to replace the entire road when just a small section is damaged. Next is smoothing. This is when you lightly rework the gravel of the road without digging it too far to the subbase. And the last one is reconstruction. This work is done in phase to limit traffic restrictions. Now I will explain about traffic management technique during road maintenance. Traffic management is one of the major concerns for countries across the world, as the endless delays cause a major loss in productivity. If these losses were be accounted in numbers, the figure would be quite staggering. Authorities and traffic engineering companies across the world are therefore working on traffic engineering solutions that can help minimize traffic congestion and manage traffic more efficiently. There are several elements of good traffic management have been identified. First is intelligent traffic signal installation, and the second one is traffic impact assessment.
I will continue this presentation with the methodology. First of all, we have to know the location plan. As you can see, we choose the plan nearby my house, which is area Sungai Pelit, and this is the cracking surface of the road. Inventory method. First is field inventory. We use the map survey on the area of the damage and conventional optical equipment to collect desired of information in the roadway. Next is taking photo and video on the roadway of the damage so that we know the information and data. Besides that, we know how to drive and traffic on the area. Next is we go to the Google Maps and using the Google Maps to see if had any other way to use while maintaining the roadway. I will explain about road damage inspection method. We are make analysis based on the 5 things, which is budget requirement. Need to make a budget for make a repair on the road of damage. Second is cost of the user and environment. Third is condition of the roadway by the database that we carried for the traffic, accident, damage and network and structure. Next is deterioration rate. Therefore, not all roads receive the required attention they are deserved in a timely manner. These roads are left to the deteriorate until the next maintenance road. Last but not least is maintenance alternative. It depends on the damage on the road. Can be used 6 type road maintenance, which is asphalt overlayer, patching, reshaping, slab replacement, smoothing, and also reconstruction.
Generally, there are two sources of the extraction of information needed for the inventory. The first source is a set of image captured by a camera. The second source is data captured by the Waze or GPS. Either of them can provide different information. Therefore, the choice of the research must be made with the regard to the required information. To fit each crack in alpha. You are much better off preventing each crack than fixing them. First, make sure there is good drainage at the pavement edge. Second, confirm that you are strong, cohesive base set. Third, apply a layer of seal coating as soon as the asphalt is cured to protect it from damage caused by weather, temperature change, and overall usage. Minor edge crack, you can use crack sealant to fill smaller crack at the first site of damage. If more significant edge crack, you can fix damage using a patching or replacing method that addresses the root cause of the edge crack. Edge cracking happens because of a lack support at the pavement edge, and because rural road and driveway tend to narrow. Traffic is forced to drive close to this outer edge. Poor damage, poor quality base subgrades, and asphalt shrinkage can also contribute to the forming of edge crack. To fix pothole. Potholes have two common methods. First, through and roll. Second is semi-permanent pothole patch. I will explain through and roll. First, place the patching material into the pothole without any preparation or water or debris removal. Second, compact the patching material using the patching truck tires, usually 4 to 8 passes. Third, check the compactor patch for slight crown if a depression is present at some more patching material and compact. The second method is semi-permanent pothole patch. First one, remove water and debris from the pothole. Second, squeeze up the pothole side so they can vertical and have intact pavement on the all sides. Third, place the patching material into the clean square up hole. The material should mold in the center and taper down to the edge so that it meets flush with the surrounding pavement edge. Fourth, compact the patching material using a vibratory plate compactor or a single drum vibratory roll. Start compacting in the center and work out towards the edge and check that the compacted patching material has a slight crumb. This is done so that subsequent traffic loading will compact it down to the surrounding pavement height. How to fix alligator cracking? In short-term fix is to apply crack filler or seal coating to stop water and debris from getting into the crack and making them worse. Next, if at all possible, you should restrict traffic in the affected area because vehicles driving over the weakness pavement will be damage the fault surface further. Second, for permanent repair is of an area of alligator cracking in asphalt pavement require digging below the surface to discover the underlying problems, then setting the asphalt base. This requires trained expert who will remove the damaged section of asphalt and replace it with a properly installed sub-base and fresh asphalt surface.
Okay, now I will explain about conclusion and recommendation. For the first one, I will explain about proposed road maintenance technique. First is inventory preparation. For the purpose of road inventory, all road components need to be recorded along with planning and maintenance scheduled to keep them in good condition. Second is damage inspection. Inspection are done on a scheduled or period basis. Third is determination of the need of maintenance. The determination takes into account factory of cost, time, level of need, level of damage and long-term planning. Okay, next is cost estimation and source to execute work. Entail maintenance costs and resource are done to ensure the maintenance work smoothly. Next is identify priority. Priority is given to constant resource effectively maintenance proposal. Next is preparation of work scheduled. The appointment party will perform the work according to the program scheduled that has been prepared. And the last one is implementation and monitoring. Work quality monitoring and ensure satisfactory work result and meet specification. Okay, for the last conclusion, I will explain about proposed traffic management technique during road maintenance. Road management method implemented by the contractor involved in road upgrading works in a residential area. This study found that there are 4 most traffic management methods widely used by contractors who are doing road upgrading work in residential areas. Is the method of zoning, build diversion roads while doing work at night, and road closure. This is avoid to resolve traffic congestion near the road repair area. Traffic management refer to the combination of measures that serve to preserve traffic capacity and improve the security. safety and reliability of overall road transport system. That's all from me and my group. Thank you so much.